Hi everyone, welcome back to the Yarn Symphony. I want to tell you a little story. A few days ago, it was my best friend's birthday and she absolutely loves bunnies. So I crocheted one of these little cute bunny pouches for her and she totally loved it. And today I'm going to show you how you can make one. Before we get started, I have a fun challenge for you. I was sharing during the video and guess what? You could be the winner. You're gonna need two colors for the rabbit pouch. One of them should be white, and the second one can be anything that you want. And this is the 3mm hook. Now let's get started. So I'm gonna start with the second color. First of all, I'm gonna make one slip knot. Now I'm going to insert my hook like this and pull the working yarn, hold this knot and pull it. Now I want to chain, so yarn over, chain 1, again, 2, 3, 4, and so on. You need to have 16 chains. Okay, after the 16 chains, I'm gonna make single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So this is the first chain and this one is the second chain. So insert your hook and make one single crochet. Again, in the next chain on the left, single crochet. You see how I'm making single crochets? Insert your hook, pull through, make 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Again, single crochet. Keep making single crochets, and in the last chain I'm gonna make 3 single crochets. I'm gonna meet you there. Okay, now I have 14 single crochets and this is the last chain. So I'm gonna make 1 single crochet first. Again, inside of the same chain, another single crochet. Now I'm going to turn the work and find the other loop of the last chain, which is this one, and make another single crochet inside of it. Yarn over, make 2 loops, pull through the 2 loops. Now I want to crochet on the other side of the chain. You see the other loops? I'm going to make 1 single crochet inside of each one. So keep making single crochets until the last chain, which is here. Now I have 30 single crochets and this is the other loop of the last chain and I want to make 2 single crochets inside of it. 1 and 2. Now I have 32 single crochets and this is the end of the round 1. Now I want to start the round 2. First I need to close the round 1. So this is the first single crochet I made. I'm going to insert my hook under the V shape. You see, this is the V shape on my hook. Yarn over and pull through. I'm going to make 1 slip stitch. So I'm going to pull this loop through this one. Like that. Now chain 2, 1 and 2. This is the next stitch. I'm going to make 1 half double crochet inside of it. So first you need to yarn over. Now insert your hook under the V shape. Yarn over and pull through. Make 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. This is 1 half double crochet. Again, the next stitch, make 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. You need to keep making the half double crochets until the end of the round. Don't forget to count the stitches. You must have 32 half double crochets. I'm gonna meet you there. Okay, now I have 32 half double crochets, and this is the end of the round 2. Now I want to start the round 3, so first I need to close the round 2. These are the 2 chains. You remember them? Let's count them. This is the first one, and this is the second one. So I'm going to insert my hook inside of the second one, under the 2 loops. See, there are 2 loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull through again. Make 1 slip stitch. Now I want to start round 3, so first chain 2, same as the round 2. This is the next stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook under the V shape, yarn over and pull through, make 3 loops, pull through all the 3 loops, again inside of the next stitch, and so on. You need to keep making the half double crochets until the end of the round 6. So keep crocheting and make 1 half double crochet inside of each stitch and close each round until the end of the round 6. And I'm gonna be here after that. Okay, this is the end of the round 6. Now I want to start the round 7 and change the color. So first, count the chains, 1 and 2, insert your hook under the 2 loops of the chain. Now I want to change the color. So this is the white yarn. I'm gonna grab this, pull it through, and pull through again. So make 1 slip stitch. Now you need to chain 2, 1 and 2, and this is the next stitch under the V shape. 1 half double crochet. Again, the next one, 1 half double crochet. You can cut the first color. Okay. You should keep crocheting and make half double crochets in rounds until the end of the round 10. So crochet with the white yarn, and I'm gonna be here on the end of the round 10. Okay, this is the end of the round 10. Now I want to start the round 11. So this is the second chain. Insert your hook and make 1 slip stitch. Now I want to chain 1 as 1 single crochet, and I'm gonna mark it. Now I want to make 8 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now I want to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now in here, I want to skip 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is number 6, and I'm gonna make 1 single crochet inside of it. 1 single crochet, I need 12. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now I want to chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now in the 4th chain from the hook, I'm gonna make 1 triple crochet. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. First you need to yarn over twice, insert your hook inside of the chain number 4, yarn over and pull through, make 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, again pull through 2, again pull through 2. Now in the next chain, which is this one, I'm gonna make 1 double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, make 3 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. Again, inside of the next chain, another double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, make 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Again, inside of the next chain, yarn over, insert your hook, make 1 half double crochet, and another half double crochet. Now in the next stitch, I'm going to make 1 single crochet. This is going to be the first ear. Now I want to make another single crochet in the next stitch. So make 1 single crochet. Now again, like the first ear, I'm going to make 8 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now 1 treble crochet, so yarn over twice, like this. Let's count the chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. So insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, make 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, again pull through 2, and again pull through 2. Now in the next chain, which is this one, I'm going to make 1 double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2, again another double crochet, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Now again, in the next 2 chains, I'm going to make 2 half double crochets. So in the next one, 1 half double crochet, and in the last one, another half double crochet. Now I want to make a single crochet in the next stitch. Insert your hook, make 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Now I want to make single crochets until the end of the round. So 1, 2, and 3. So this is the end of the round. Let's take out the stitch marker and make 1 slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Now I can cut the yarn. Now you need to hide the tail with the hook. So I'm going to insert it from here, there, again, until here. Now grab the yarn like that and pull it through the loops like this. Again, I'm going to insert the hook from here and grab the yarn like that and pull it through this gap. Now we have 3 tails in here. I'm going to make knots. And again. Now you can cut the tails. You can make this tail shorter. Like that. Now our little bunny pouch is taking shape. I have a fun challenge for you. Come up with a cute name for it, but there is a catch. It has to be exactly 5 letters. So drop your suggestions in the comments below, and the name with the most likes will be announced in the future videos. So I'm gonna wait for your suggestions. Let's do the face. You can use any color for the eyes and the mouth. I'm gonna choose this one. You're gonna need a needle and a piece of thread. If you are a crochet lover, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so we can make cute things together. And you need to know, a little thumbs up goes a long way. Now the face is ready, and this is the end of this project. Before we wrap up, don't forget about the challenge I mentioned earlier. Remember, the name needs to be exactly 5 letters. Thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna meet you on the next one. Bye guys!